Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Oh dear goodness, we got another 2026 Grand Design Reflection, model number 342 MBS. So let's get started. The length on this Reflection is 37 feet. The dry weight is 11,200 pounds with a hitch weight of 2,000 and a GVWR of 13,995. We saw some good stuff on this one.
We did. We had to go in and take a look around. We're excited to bring you guys the 26 models, and we think you're really going to like this one. Right up front, let's start here where your batteries are going to go. Now this is going to have 4-point electric jacks on it. Have a propane tank right there. And your hookups and your pull handles are going to be in here. There's your leveling system, storage area.
Tankless water heater.
Da-da-da. Now your dump area is under the slide, so may want to just keep that in mind, but look, they give you a light.
And this one's got the slim rack.
Yes, this is a slim rack. I think the other one back here is going to be a rack and pinion. Yeah. And the CRE 3000 suspension. And something we pointed out on another one that we've looked at today is the graphics on these. They give you this almost like a quilted pattern. It's really cool for this year. Do have a connection there. Sewer hose caddy is right here at the back. Looking at the back of it, they give you a ladder to get on top. It is prepped for a backup camera. And you do have towing capabilities up to 3,000 pounds. Just be really careful if you decide to add any extra length to it. Now, looking here at the campsite.
19 feet.
19-foot awning. Really nice. So let's go see what all kind of goodies are hiding behind.
Now it does, I don't know if you said it, the red hubs.
It does.
Anti-lock brakes.
Anti-lock
You might want to
brakes.
point that out. And I don't know, it may be a
They may be doing that standard
standard. It may be.
I'm not sure. We may have to do some research on that.
There may be some smarter people out there than us. Phil, let me know.
All right. And they give you this little outside kitchen. You got a mini fridge.
I like this.
Yeah, really nice.
Yeah, a little fridge. I'm not going to pull the grill out, but it comes all the way out
yeah,
to here.
it pulls way on out. And they do give you a plug-in back there and a light.
Okay.
And propane quick connect under there. Then the other side of your pass-through storage. And again, a place for TV hookup if you want to bring one out. And your second propane bottle.
Yay!
Right there where it should be. Alright, let's go inside and take a look at this really cool 26 model. Something that you're probably going to spot right off is this is not your traditional rear living. So we'll start at the back with this huge U-shaped dinette. It is just amazing. They give you a plug-in down there below it. A nice big window with these blackout shades.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so we have a really nice view of the highway
Oh,
back
sorry,
there.
I didn't mean to roll that down. There it is.
Yeah,
Nice highway
ta-da.
view. Yeah.
That would look so much better at the beach or at a lake. But down below, of course, you have storage. That's going to be on both sides. Now, like all dinettes, this will make into a bed, and they actually give you these fold-out cushions here that will go on the table part.
Yes.
So, how cool is that?
I don't know. What's cooler than cool?
Ice cold.
Ice cold.
I did not
Oh.
have my loaded tea this morning, so see, you've messed up my day.
No, we've been hanging around Josh the RV nerd.
I know. All right, but anyway, you have all this great storage across the top. I'm going to back up and show you your AC unit right up there. Now, I'm going to have a seat over here so we can show you this entertainment center. This looks like a 40-inch TV.
Yeah.
And, yeah, it's going to have...
Yeah, there it goes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I was
it's
about
going
to
to
say,
swivel.
it's got some storage back behind it. It's got
Yep.
those little cubby holes back there.
I
And
don't know where. I guess I put my little Debbie's back there, I guess.
yeah, hide those. And then your radio control is covered up.
Or Rosie's treats.
Yeah, so she won't know where they are. And then this, guys, is actually a really big drawer. It's a little bit surprising. And you've got your electric fireplace down here. Now, before we get into the rest of the kitchen, I'm going to go ahead and turn around. And this is your theater seat, and all three sections recline. You do have a cup holder here, and if I pull this section down here, it's going to give you a really big armrest with more cup holders. And then this actually pops up in your USB and C. I think it's USB and C. Yes, one on B on one side, C on the other. So you do have your charging right there. Then nice big windows over here, and then go ahead and finish out the slide on this side.
Good night.
Here is your pantry, and it is a really nice one. So you've got storage all the way down to the floor.
It's a whopper.
It is. All right, now let's turn back around and get into the kitchen. Big microwave up here. Some great storage right next to it. Now, this is going to have solid surface in this. What are we in? We're in the 150 series, right?
No, this is
No,
the
this is actual
reflection.
Yes, this is a reflection. So, not only do you get solid surface in here, you are going to get the upgraded 3-burner cooktop with
Yep.
a bigger oven. Really, really nice. I really like that oven. And then, of course, you have a matching drawer down at the bottom.
Okay.
Now on the island, again, solid surface. You've got a pull-out garbage can. You have your cutlery drawer. But wait, there's more. And then you also have a spice drawer.
Ooh, I like that.
That is so nice. There is some lighting around the bottom of this. Really good storage underneath your sink, which is a large single basin sink with a pull-down faucet. But then you have some more drawers over here. And there's your little sink drainer.
I'm really surprised they don't have the little cup washer and stuff on it.
Yeah, I'm kind of surprised they didn't do the swanky sink. But it's fine. We have this sink. It works perfectly. But
And it is caulked around the sink.
Yeah. But we're not quite finished with the island yet. So on this side, you have 2 plug-ins, but you also have your hidden pet bowls.
Yay!
So, love that.
I like that.
All right. I'm sure these new pendant lights have been changed for 26. Really nice. Do you have a Max Air fan up there? I said air again. Funny. Got your side-by-side fridge.
All right.
And this one is going to have tire link.
Starlink display. Cool.
Very nice. All right. Now, what makes this unit so cool is going to be behind this door. But there's also a door on this side.
Okay. Which one do we go
So-
in? You mean just open both of
Just
them?
open both of them. And you have a middle bunk room. Now, like a lot of middle bunk rooms, you're going to have extra sleeping, but unlike some, there's not a sofa down here. Instead, they give you a little bit bigger bunk area.
With 3 drawers.
Got 3 drawers underneath.
Wow.
Your heating is going to be in the walls and cabinets in this, not in the floor. They actually mount you a mirror in here. You have a top bunk that, as you can see, you can push it up out of the way.
And there's our son calling.
And there's my son calling. I will call him back in just a second. And up above that, you have a window, and I think it actually has a shade. It does have a shade. Yeah. So that is super nice. Then, to finish out this room, you're going to have some cabinetry up here. An area for a pretty good sized TV. And then a lot of drawers. So, yeah, this could be the kids' room. Could use it as an office if you needed to. Could be the man cave.
Could be the she shed.
Yeah, whatever. And then you've got a door to the hall and a door to the kitchen.
Cool.
Very nice. So, moving up the stairs. Oh, in case I missed it, your controls are going to be right here as you come up the stairs. Into the bathroom. So, at 6 feet tall, you have plenty of room. There is not a skylight, but there is an indention with a light in it.
I love it.
So I would rather have the light than a skylight.
Yeah.
Basically no step up getting into that shower. So it is
It's a 33 by 36.
30 by 36.
Yeah, it's the same thing we got.
Now you're actually going to have like 2 medicine cabinets in here. So you have one on this side with a towel rack, and it does have a mirror, and then you're going to have one on this side with a towel rack, and then a little space down here. Really good area around the sink. Not solid surface in the bathroom, but good size sink, good counter space, and then you've got great storage under it with some drawers.
Heating vent.
Yes. Right there at your feet, so your feet will be nice and warm.
Yes.
Now, obviously, you got lots of leg room around your foot flush toilet, so yeah, great job. No real linen, so we can't quite do a golden plunger on this one, but it's
close.
It's real close. The main bedroom is going to have a north-south queen bed. Love that they give you lights on both sides. Those are really nice.
There's a little switch.
There's a, well,
there it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lights that we don't know how to operate. Storage across the top.
Yep.
And then you do have a little shelf up here, so you could put your phone up here. Plug-ins. Yeah, storage underneath the nightstand, so that should be big enough to put a CPAP on. Now this is a mid-pro, so you are gonna have the steps in here. Good storage underneath the bed. Second AC unit. The TV is going to go right behind his head back there. And I'm going to hand this off so he can show you that closet.
All right. And 2 nice sized drawers right down here. Cool.
And then your heating vent is down there, and you also have another open space for some shoes right down there at the bottom.
Yep.
Alright. So yeah, if you guys are looking for something with a little extra space, this is a neat little room in here.
All right, everybody, if you like this Grand Design reflection with this middle bunk room, dealership's information is down in our description, and we have to call our son back. Yeah, I tell you what, he calls at the most
inopportune times.
Yes, he does. All right, everybody, if you enjoy our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.